Hello students, welcome to the second session of Mathematics Standard 10, chapter number 3, a pair of linear equation in two variable. In previous session, we are studying graph method and substitution method. Now, in this session, we will start elimination method and cross multiplication method. Now, we will start elimination method. Elimination method. First we understood that what is eliminating. In this method we have to eliminating means remove one variable. This method is sometimes more convenient than substitution method. So students, we see this method how to work. So now we are starting exercise 3.4. Exercise number 3.4. Solve the pair of linear equation by eliminate method and substitution method. So we are now starting all the sums with elimination method. So we have to start from third one. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So first we are writing 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. We can say that equation number 1. And 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. We said them equation number 2. Now we have to see that in both of these we have to same the one variable. See that here 9x. So if we multiply this with 3 3s are 9, then it will become a same. So we can easily remove the variable. So multiply equation 1 with 3. So 3s are 9, 5s are 15 and 4s are 12. 9x minus 15 and 4 is going this way, so plus 12. So we give them equation number 3. Now eliminate equation number 3 with 2. So first we write equation number 3. 9x minus 15y is equal to 12. And now we are writing the equation number this 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now we eliminate both of them. Here minus sign, we can eliminate means subtraction. So we can change the sign, minus, plus, minus. 9x cancel. So 2 minus 15 is equal to minus 13 and 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So 13y is equal to 5. Now y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Now put y value minus 5 by 13 in equation number 1. So what is our equation number 1? 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Now we put value of y. What is the value of y? Minus 5 by 13. So 3x minus 5 into bracket minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. 5 5 is 25, minus plus. Now 12 by 13 we can take it here. So it will be converted into minus sign. So minus 25 by 13. Now we take LCM. 13 4s are 52. 25 as it is. 52 minus 25 is equal to 27. Divide by 39. 9 3s are 27. 13 3s are 13. So our solution x comma y is equal to 9 comma 13 comma minus 5 comma 13. So this is our solution. Now question number 4. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. First we are converting this equation into the standard form of linear pair. For this we are taking LCM. What is here LCM? 3 2s are 6. 3 into x 3x and 2 2s are 4y is equal to minus 1. Same way here also we can take the LCM 3. 3 into x 3x and y as it is. And here 3 3s are 9. So here 6 1s are 6 minus 6. Now we can give the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now eliminate equation number 1 with 2 because see that here 3 variable of x both side same only. So we can direct eliminate this equation. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equal to 9. Minus plus minus 3x got 4 minus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 and minus minus plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Bigger number sign. So y is equal to minus 15 by 5 is equal to minus 3. Now put y is equal to minus 3 in equation number 2. So 3x minus minus 3 is equal to 9. Minus minus plus. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. Now 3 goes to right hand side. So see 3x is equal to 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 3 2s are 6. So 2. So x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. Now you understood, all the students, that how to do the elimination method. Now we take question number 2 to understand again elimination method. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find the solutions if they exist by the elimination method. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction is reduced to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? For this we have to take, suppose numerator is equal to x and denominator is equal to y. According to our question, we add numerator and denominator, numerator 1 and subtract denominator from 1. So we get fraction is 1. So x plus 1 divided by y minus 1 is equal to 1. So simplify it with x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So y is coming here and 1 is also coming here positive. So x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. We said that equation number 1. Now if it become 1 by 2, where when we only add 1 to the denominator, so we can add the denominator 1. So x divided by y plus 1 is equal to 1 and half. 2 comes here and y plus 1 is going here. So 2x is equal to y plus 1. So what is our equation number 2? 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now equation number 2. In equation number 1 and 2, first we check that if it is possible to having an exist a value or not. So a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 1. See here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So they have a one unique solution. So we can eliminate equation 1 and 2. So 2x minus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now we can change the sign, minus plus minus, y cancel, 2x minus x is equal to x and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Now put value of x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. 3 comes here. So minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus minus plus bigger number sign. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Minus y is equal to minus 5. So y is equal to 5. So what is our solution? Our solution is x comma y is equal to 3 comma 5. And what is our fraction? Our fraction is 3 by 5. Now question number 3. The sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained. By reversing the order of the digit, find those number. First of all, we can understand that what is the 2-digit number? It is 10 to 99. And we have to also remember our place value of each digit. Suppose it is unit place, the digit value is only itself. Suppose it is 10 place, that digit value is 10 multiply the digit. So here we have to suppose 10 digit place value is equal to x and unit digit place digit is equal to y. Now according to the question, the sum of these 2 digit is 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. So our original number is equal to 10x plus y. Now we have to reversing the numbers. So if we reverse the numbers is become 10y plus x. Now according to the question, if reversing the numbers, the number is twice the number obtained by the reversing order. So 9 into bracket 10x plus y is equal to twice. Twice means 2 into 10y plus x. So 9 tens are 90x plus 9 ones are 9y is equal to 10, 2 tens are 20y plus 2 into x, 2x. Now we can solve this. For this we have to take it into left hand side. So 9x minus 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20 is equal to 0. 9x minus 2x is 90x minus 2x is equal to 88x plus 20 minus 9 is equal to 11y is equal to 0. Now we have to common 8 from it. So 8x minus y is equal to 0. Now we have to check that it is exist, the result is exist or not. For this we have to check a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 8, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by minus 1. So we prove that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So they have only unique solution. So eliminate equation 1 with equation 2. What is our equation number 1? X plus y is equal to 9. And what is our equation number 2? 8x minus y is equal to 0. So y cancel. 8 plus x is equal to 9x and 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9x is equal to 9, so x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in the equation number 1. 81x minus y is equal to 0. So minus y is equal to minus 8. So y is equal to 8. Now x comma y is equal to 1 comma 8. So what is our number? Our number is equal to 18. Now we are starting the fourth method, cross multiplication. Before we are learning graph method, substitution method, elimination. Now we can learn cross multiplication method. For this we have to understood this formula: x divided by b1 by b2, c1 by c2, y divided by c1 by c2, a1 by a2 is equal to 1 divided by a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. Now multiply b1 and c2 and subtract b2 c1. Now here multiply c1 a2 and subtract c2 a1. Now multiply a1 and b2 and subtract a2 by b1. Like this, x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. For this we have to start our exercise number 3.5. Exercise number 3.5, question number 1. Which of the following pairs of linear equation has a unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using the cross multiplication method. Question number 1. 3x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. So first we check that the solution is exist or not. So for this we have to write a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 9. So 3 3s are 9, 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 2. For this we see that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. So there are no solution. Now question number 2. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So first we check a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2, and see that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So we know that there is a unique solution, which means they have a solution. So let we start with the elimination method. For this, look, see that 2x plus y is equal to 3, 5 and 3x plus y is equal to 8. So what we write, x is equal to y is equal to 1. So first we write 1, 2 minus 3 minus 8, y divided by minus 5 minus 8 2, 3, and 1 is equal to 2, 3 and 1, 8. We know that we have to multiply this and subtract this. So 8 1s are 8, minus 2 5s are 10, minus plus minus. In the same way, we have to multiply this both. 5 3s are 15, minus 8 2s are 16, minus plus minus 2 2s are 4, minus 3 1s are 3. So x divided by minus 8 plus 10 is equal to y divided by minus 15 by 6 plus 16 is equal to 1 by 1. So x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. What is the meaning of this? X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1 or y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. So 2 is going here, so x is equal to 2. Y 1 is going here, so y is equal to 1. So what is our solution? X comma y is equal to 2 comma 1. Now question number 3. 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. 6x minus 10y is equal to 40. Now first we check that there is a solution exist or not. For this, a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is equal to 20 by 40 is equal to 1 by 2. What is the meaning of this? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If all are same, then they have many solutions. Now question number 4. X minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. So a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by 3. So 1. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by. So there is no unique solution. So x divided by minus 3 comma minus 3 minus 7 minus 15 is equal to y by minus 7 and 15, 1 and 3 is equal to 1 by 1 comma 3 and minus 3 comma minus 3. Now we have to multiply. 3 15s are 45, 3 7s are 21, minus minus plus. Same way here is equal to y by 7 3s are 21, minus 15 1s are 15, minus plus minus is equal to 1 by 3 1s are 3, minus 3 3 3s are 9, minus 9, minus minus plus, minus minus plus and plus minus minus. So 41 minus 21 is equal to 24, minus minus plus, so 21 minus 15 is equal to 6, bigger number sign, so minus 6. And same way here, minus minus plus, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, bigger number sign, positive. So x by 24 is equal to 1 by 6 or y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So 6x is equal to 24 or 6y is equal to minus 6. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. So what is our solution? X comma y is equal to 4 comma minus 1. Now question number 4. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. So here we can take any method like graph method, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So let us start question number 1. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depend on the number of days has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees hostel charge. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days, she pays 1180 as a hostel charge. Find the fixed charge and cost of the food per day. So for first of all, we have to suppose the fixed charge of the hostel is X rupees and additional charge is Y rupees. So according to the question, first question, what our question is that they can take 20 days. So x plus 20y is equal to 1000. So this is our equation. B is staying at 26 days. So x plus y is equal to 1180. First we check that the result is exist or not. A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 1. B1 by B2 is equal to 20 by 26. So C1 by C2, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So you know that there is a unique solution. We can take elimination method. So elimination equation 1 and 2, x plus 20y is equal to 1000 and x plus 26y is equal to 1180. Minus minus and minus, x squared, 20 minus 26 is equal to minus 6 and 1000 minus 1180 is equal to minus 180. So 6 is coming down, so y is equal to 30, minus minus plus. So the additional charge is 30 rupees. Now put y is equal to 30 in equation number 1. So x is plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. 20 3s are 20 30s are 1000. Sorry, 600. 600 comes here. So x is equal to 1000 minus 600 is equal to 400. So our fixed charge is equal to 400 and our additional charge is equal to 30. Now students, you can understood cross multiplication method as well as elimination method. So now we have to start. Now exercise number 3.6. Solve the following pair of linear equations by reducing them in a pair of linear equation. So first question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Second equation 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 12 by 6. See students, our variable is in the denominator, so it is not in the standard form. So first we convert them into standard form. So suppose 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So 1 by 2a plus 1 by 3b is equal to 2 and 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b is equal to 30. Now see that our variable is on the up numerator. LCM. What is our LCM? 2 3s are 6. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 2 by 6. 2 comes here. So 2 6 are 12. Same way here. 2 into a 2a plus 3 into b 3b is equal to 2 3s are 6. So 13 6 are 98. Now we take 6 as a common. So we can remove 6 from them. So what is our equation? Our equation is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Now we can use substitution method. So object the b, 3a comes here and 2 comes denominator, b is equal to 12 minus 3a by 2. Students, we are using substitution method. Substitute b is equal to 12a minus 3a in equation number 2. So 2a is plus 3 into bracket 12 minus 3a divided by 2 is equal to 13. So 12 is 36 minus plus minus 3 3s are 9. Now take LCM. 2 2s are 4 plus 36 minus 9 and 13 2s are 26. Now 4a minus 8a is equal to 5. 9a is equal to 5a. 36 comes here. So 26 minus 36 is equal to minus 10. So minus minus plus and 5 comes to denominator. 5 2s are 10. So we get value of a is equal to 2. Now a is equal to 2 in equation number 1. B is equal to 12 minus 6 by 2. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 and 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So now we get the value of B is equal to 3. Now A is equal to 1 by x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Now B is equal to 1 by y is equal to 3. Now we can take reciprocal. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So what is our solution? X comma y is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. Now question number 2. 2 by root x plus 2 by root y is equal to 2. Y by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. See here, root x and root y is in denominator. So what we do? We can suppose 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. So 2a plus 2b is equal to 2 and 4a plus minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now multiply equation. We can now use the elimination method. So multiply equation 3 with 3. So 3 into bracket 2a plus 3 6b is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6a plus 9b is equal to 6. Now eliminate equation number 2 and 3. 6a plus 9b is equal to 6 and 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. 9b cancel. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10a is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now a is equal to 5 by 10. So 1 by 2 put a is equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 3. X into bracket 2 into bracket 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2 minus 1. So 2 to cancel. So 1 plus 3b is equal to 2 minus 1. So b is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can put the value of 1 by root x is equal to a is equal to 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 by root y is equal to 6. So 1 by root y is equal to b. Then 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 3. Now both side we have to do the square. So root x square is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. Now same way root y square is equal to 3 square. So y is equal to 9. So what is our solution? X comma y is equal to 4 comma 9. Now question number 4. 5 by x minus 1 plus y by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Now second equation 6 by x minus 1 is minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. See here x, our variable, is a denominator. So what we do? We can take 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So what is our equation? 5a plus b is equal to 2 and 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Now we use substitution method. So b is equal to 2 minus 3a. So substitute the b is equal to 2a minus 3. 2 minus 3a is equation number 2. 6a minus 3 into bracket 2 minus 5a is equal to 1. 3 2s are 6 minus minus plus 5 3s are 15. So plus plus plus. So 6 plus 15 is equal to 21 and 6 comes here, 1 plus 6, so 7. So a is equal to 7 by 21. So is equal to 1 by 3. Now we get the value of a is equal to 1 by 3. Now put a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1. 5 into bracket 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. So 5 by 3 plus 3b is equal to 2. 3b into b. So we can take LCM. 5 into 3b into 3b is equal to 2. So 5 plus 3b is equal to 3 2s are 6. So 3b is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So x minus 1 is equal to 3. 1 is come here. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Same way y minus 2 is equal to 3. 2 comes here. So plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. So our solution is x comma y is equal to 4 comma 5. Now question number 8. 1 by 3x plus 4 plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. Same way here 1 by 2 into bracket 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into bracket 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 8. See here our variables is a denominator. So we suppose 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. Now we have to put in our equation. So here a plus b is equal to 3 by 4 and here a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Now we can take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. So 2 2s are 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Okay, now 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Now see here a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. A by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. 2 is the LCM and put it here. So a minus b is equal to minus 2 by 8. 1, 2, 4s are 8. So 4 is coming here. So 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Now this is our equation number 4. Now we can use elimination method. So we eliminate equation number 3 and 4. What is our equation number 3? 4a plus 4b is equal to 3 and 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. 4b cancel. 4a plus 4a is equal to 8a. 3 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 8 comes to denominator. So a is equal to 3. 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Now put a is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 3. So 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 4b is equal to 3. 4 cut. So 4b is equal to 1 comes here. 3 minus 1. So 4b is equal to 2. 4 comes down. So b is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now a is equal to 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4, and b is equal to 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. So we can take reciprocal. So 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 6. Now we can give the elimination method, equation number 5 and 6. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. 5y cancel. So 3 plus 3, 6x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation number 2. So 3 into bracket 1 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So our solution x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. Now question number 2, third one. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours. If she travels 60 km by the train and remaining by the bus, if she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and bus separately. For this we have to start. The speed of the train is x km per hour and the speed of bus is equal to y km per hour. According to the question, she travels 60 km by train and remaining means 240 minus 60 is equal to 300 minus 60 is equal to 240 kilometers by bus, and she takes 4 hours. So what is our equation? 60 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 4. Now she travel 100 km by train and remaining 200 km by bus. So she takes 4 hours and 10 minutes. So 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 4 hours and 20 minutes is equal to 25 by 6. Here again our variables are in denominator. So 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So what is our equation? 60a plus 240b is equal to 4. This is our equation number 3. And 100a plus 200b is equal to 25 by 6. Now we can take 6 here. So 6 into 100, 600a. 2 into 6 is 1200b is equal to 25. This is our equation number 4. Now we have to use elimination method. For this we have to multiply equation number 3 with 10. So 10 into 60 plus 240b is equal to 4. 10 into 60 is equal to 600a. 10 into 240 is equal to 2400b, and 10 is equal to multiply 4 is equal to 40. So what is our equation? 600a plus 2400b is equal to 40. Now eliminate equation 5 and 6. 600a plus 1200b is equal to 25, and 600a plus 2400b is equal to 40. So 600 is 600k. Cancel. 2400 minus 1200 is equal to minus 1200b, and 40 minus 25 is equal to minus 15. So b is equal to 15 by 1200 is equal to 1 by 80. Now put b is equal to 1 by 80 in equation number 3. So 60a plus 240b is equal to 4. Now we can put the value of b. So 60a plus 240b into 1 by 80 is equal to 4. Now 84 3s are 240. So 60a plus 3 is equal to 4. Now 3 comes here. So minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by 60. Now we get value of a, and now 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60 and 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80. Now take reciprocal. X is equal to 60 and y is equal to 80. So x comma y is equal to 60 comma 80. Now speed of the train is 60 km and speed of the bus is 80 km. So students, all the sums I am already sent you in my PDF.